Why do we invest in Section 8? Why do we buy Section 8 properties? Why do we do deals in Cleveland, Ohio? Why? $65,000 acquisition cost with a $1,600 a month rent, okay? That is Section 8 rent. Of the $1,600, $1,445 of it is paid by Uncle Sam. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale show, folks. Thing is selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour, Holton Wise TV, giving it to you straight. Why do we invest in Section 8? Why do we buy Section 8 properties? Why do we do deals in Cleveland, Ohio? Why? Why do we go across the whole country? Why do we look from everywhere, right? We look from Los Angeles. We look from New York. We look from New Jersey. We look from Boston. We look from Philly. We look from all these big cities, these big locations, and we narrow in on little old Cleveland, Ohio in Section 8 deals. Why do we do that, guys? This property right here is exactly why. 2997 Nursery, okay? Coming to you at $64,999. $64,999. We'll call it 65, okay? $65,000 acquisition cost with a $1,600 a month rent, okay? That is Section 8 rent. Of the $1,600, $1,445 of it is paid by Uncle Sam. The U.S. government, the United States taxpayer, is guaranteeing $1,445 of that. That means that tenant only has to pay $155 a month, okay? Government guaranteed cash flow, okay? Is Section 8 pretty? No. Is Section 8 fun? Definitely not. It's not always the easiest, simplest, prettiest business, but we don't do it for that, folks. We do it for the cold, hard cash. We do it for the fact that we can achieve $1,600 a month in rental income for a teeny-weeny little tiny purchase price of $64,999, okay? That's the game. That's what we do. That's how you get filthy, stinking rich off of that monthly government-guaranteed cash flow, okay? If you guys would like to buy that property, send an email to my team, sales@holtonwise.com. You want to pay cash, I just need an email telling me how much you want to offer, and I need your proof of funds. You want to finance it, cool, no problem. I'll hook you up with the lenders, or if you got your own lenders, cool, no problem. Shoot me their pre-approval along with your offer, how much you want to pay. You want to manage this deal yourself, you want to deal with Section 8 tenants yourself, that's totally fine with me. You want to hire a different property manager, that's totally cool with me. You want my team to manage it for you, that's also totally cool, okay? We run one of the biggest Section 8 rental property management companies in the Cleveland market, okay? We are a la carte, though, so you could buy it, manage it yourself, buy it, hire some other PM, buy it, have us do the property management, whatever you guys want to do. Just let me know. Sales@holtonwise.com. $1,600 a month in rent for $64,999 purchase price. I can't say it enough. I mean, the numbers speak for themselves, right? But before you make that offer, though, I want you to understand exactly what you're getting. So the footage that we've been playing on the screen for you, we've been cutting it up, obviously going back and forth between the footage and my face and things of that nature. I want you guys to get a firm, crisp understanding of the condition of the property. So no better way to do that than to have you watch the complete uncensored video tour that you've been watching clips of. So stick around for that right now.
Oh, damn.
He's got long hair. Right.
2997 Nursery. Back area, side yard. City out here taking care of business. Slab house though. Look at their basement. Two units here? Two units here? Oh. I just happened to see there was like a... Yeah, well no. I went to the back and it looked like it was like
a split?
this house and then a house like attached to it. But...
No, it was. At one time it looked real nice back there. Now I came through there and tore the porch up.
Ah.
They racing cars on the strip back here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I could see that over by industrial. So I'm ready to go inside whenever you guys are.
Yeah, I'll just follow you.
How about telling you coming in? Do you need me anymore?
No, if you want to let them know we're coming in, we'll just I'll walk behind him with the light and whatnot and be like 5 minutes, not even.
Okay.
Yeah, now that I know it's not two families, it should be pretty quick.
Yeah.
And there's
You told him we gotta get in the basement.
Hello?
Is there a basement here? I don't think there is.
He said.
I mean, there might be, but there's no windows anywhere around the house, so
Maybe it's just like a crawl space.
I'm not going anywhere.
Well, like a Fenwick where you gotta do this, which
Like midday street walk.
Did they come in?
Ready? Go ahead, just go. Nah, it's easier if I just need you to like run point.
Yeah.
Keep them out of my way. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
This is way to the second floor.
Okay, alright.
Be real quick about it.
They're coming up the second floor.
Oop, I'm in your way.
No light bulbs up here? Is there a light bulb up there? Yes, it is. Okay. I say come on up.
Okay, give me 2
You
seconds.
went up there and then. If we knock out the upstairs real quick.
Yeah, since they're waiting on me.
Okay. Go all the way to the back. It's a storage room.
Up here.
Oh, these are tight steps. Yeah, these are steep place, curvy steps.
Let me have it, gang.
Well, hello, pup.
Gang,
That's why you wait for that Sunday. Y'all recording?
Yeah, but not you right now.
Yeah,
Video shoot?
Yeah.
it's just like show the layout and whatnot. There you
Hey,
go.
we in the video shoot.
Let me get a boomerang so I can cap right quick.
Yeah, I'm about to be like, hold on. Video shoot.
Is there a
I think back here.
is there a room back here?
Yeah, y'all been right through that door.
Alright,
I think it's real
I'm finna be like, we
First?
filming, y'all.
we're filming.
So
Tubi movie.
I don't know what she was on.
Open that for
Take
me.
a picture and be like, this how
It's
much
like stuck.
This how much DB be having his movie on.
Oh, I see what. Okay.
What the hell?
Man, you get back. Come on. You know you can't.
This house goes on forever, dude.
Yeah, it's a long one. Long boy.
All right.
Cool.
Yep. Oh, here we go.
Oh, electric. Okay, I got you. No furnace or anything?
No, no furnace up here. No fuse
Well, we'll check
panel.
everything down there.
All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome, thank you.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
How the fuck do you guys navigate these stairs? Yeah, no
I
shit.
get down to the bottom and I'm like, woo!
Look.
My boots too big.
But that upstairs goes on forever, don't it?
That's the way I do it.
Basement. All right, let me get the back half here real quick. I'll try to keep you out. I'll keep you out of it. Bedroom in there. All right, thank you. All right, there. You say you're going down there?
Yeah, there's like a box in the way. So
Yeah, good luck. Oh no! Don't let me forget we gotta do that program.
I got you. Oh, that's not good. Access panel blocked by a gas pipe, but looks fairly updated. Can't really open it though, so there's that. I think that's it.
Nice.
All good.
Is it cool if I do this room real quick? Can I do this room real quick? Yeah. I don't want to film you guys, but I just got to do the pan. Stop.
According to a friend of Jose's, the alleged second gunman is 20-year-old Mary Melina Gallegos.
So they're saying that this
I
here
don't
is
know,
Mary.
something for him.
But when you back it up, you can
They
actually
don't usually
see
tell us. They just send me out here and they're like, be here at this time.
Oh, okay.
But, all right, thank you. All right.
Alright, so we should be good to go.
Yes, sir.
You
Good to go?
Yep. All good.
Alright.
Got the basement and everything, and that's it. So.
See you later.
Thank
I'll
you
give you
guys.
information about the floor and make sure it's in the morning time. Okay.
Why, like tomorrow morning?
Wait a minute, you go ahead. What'd you say?
One last pan of the kitchen. Just
Alright, I'll call you.
all right. I know.
Right?
I couldn't ask for better weather.
Can't argue about that.
Stay like this year round.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.